Right then guys, today I am going to show you how to get the red light off the power cable on an Xbox Premium. It's just an ordinary Xbox, no slimline or anything, no crap like that. Kind of special. And then what you do first, just take everything out the Xbox, literally every single thing, even the power cable. Take it out the plug as well and turn the plug off. Make sure you take everything out, even the remote. If you've got a plug-in remote like that one there, it's not very good. Mine are messy at the moment, so yeah, just bear with me. And yeah, basically just leave your Xbox there, press about 30 seconds, 20 seconds, it doesn't really matter, it really don't matter, alright, that one, but I'd say 30 seconds really. And then just start plugging them all back in, one by one, and then put any audio you want, it don't really matter. And this should work. Let's see. And look at that, orange light's back on, and it turns back on. And after all that, it should work. Please subscribe if it does work, and I'd like to hear your messages to see how this has helped you and see if it has helped you. Thank you very much.